University open house events are an ideal way for students and families to get to see the AAU campus, to get to meet the deans, to get to meet faculty and staff, as well as to get to meet current students. Usually students come with families as well, so this is an opportunity for the family to see where their son or daughter is going to attend school as well. They're more familiar with the faces, they're more familiar with the process, and they get to ask questions firsthand while they're here visiting AAU.
A typical open house event at AAU starts with registration, of course. You don't have to be registered to come, but we do prefer it. However, even if it's a last-minute decision, you're still welcome. After a nice little meet and greet where you can chat with some of the current students and enjoy some free snacks, we will have a presentation. The presentation is going to walk you through all of the programs that we offer so that you can get an in-depth look at the differences between all of them. After that, you will have a meeting with the deans. This is a really important part of our open house process because it allows you to get face time with the people that you will be interviewing with later on, and it also allows you to ask any in-depth personal questions that you feel weren't answered by the presentation. It's a really interactive environment that I think is really helpful to everyone. After that, we'll have a tour of the campus. The tour of the campus is very important because our campus is beautiful. It's an old palace, but that does mean that it can be a little bit confusing if you don't know what you're looking for. So you'll have a full idea of how everything works, who everyone is, and what to expect when you arrive as a student. The tour is beneficial because you get a complete look at what we have to offer. We have a student cafe, we have back entrance into one of the oldest parks in Prague, we have a beautiful library with hand-painted ceilings, and you get to see all of it, know where it all is, and be a part of life here.
Our open house information is always published on the website, in the AAU website, in our social media, specifically on Facebook. We do have open houses every once per month. You can just go online, check, or call the admissions office to check when there is one available.
See the environment, meet the deans, meet students, see the campus, get a good feel of who we are and what we represent as a university in terms of how we will work for you as you continue on with your higher education journey.